Okay, hello guys, welcome to this short tutorial on how you can withdraw your Hamster from Binance. Sorry, how can you withdraw your Hamster Kombat into your Binance account? If you look at your Hamster Kombat, we have few options there. If you come to this side, airdrop, look at airdrop, come there, click on airdrop, scroll. You can use Binance. You have few options. You can use OKX, you can use Bybit, you can use your wallet in Telegram, you can use EBI exchange, and you can also use on-chain airdrop. These are the options you have for you. But for you to be able to use Binance, open Binance, you can register with your email, then you do your KYC. Likewise, that of Bybit also. OKX is no more functioning in Nigeria. It's no more functioning in Nigeria, so you don't need to use that. And also, you can use wallet in Telegram. Binance, Bybit, or wallet in Telegram. And also, you can use this on-chain airdrop. That is your tongue keeper. This is your tongue keeper. You can use your tongue keeper also. These are options, but I will advise you use Binance Exchange because you might get free airdrop. You might get some extra bonus if you use Binance or Bybit. So in this class, I'll be using Binance for tutorial. So you click on Binance, and once you click on Binance, you have this question. You click on yes, I have it. If you don't have, you click on no, let's create it. Then it take you to a link whereby you'll be able to enter your email to create Binance account. Okay. So after you must have gotten your Binance account, you come here, you click on yes, I have it. Then you must have completed your KYC. It's very important for you to have completed your KYC. You come here, and as you can see, if you have not registered on Binance, you click on register. But if you have registered, you go to your Binance, you copy the Hamster deposit address, you paste it there. And if you have pasted your Hamster deposit address, in which I'm going to show you shortly, you also need to copy your memo. Your memo is also important. Please take note. After I must have chosen your Hamster address, you've copied it, you've pasted it there. You also go and copy your memo. If you don't copy your memo and you click save and choose, you will have issues. You would lose all what you've worked for over 6-7 months now of doing Hamster. It won't appear, it won't reflect in your wallet. So what you need to do, let's go to Binance. Minimize, I go to my Binance. This is my Binance, as you can all see. Now, how am I going to copy my Hamster address? How am I going to copy my Hamster address? We have home, we have market, we have trades, we have futures, and also we have wallet. So you come to wallet, you click on wallet. After I must have clicked on wallet, you need to look for your Hamster. Let's come to spot. This is spot here. Before it was in overview, as you can see here. So you click on spot, click on spot. Okay. Now you look for Hamster. Look for Hamster. You click on this search button. Can you see this search button? Click on it. After clicking on it, you now look for Hamster. Ham. Can you see this is Hamster Kombat? Look at it. Hamster Kombat. Click on it. After you must have clicked on it, you will now write deposit crypto. Click on deposit crypto. As you can see, it's a coin blockchain, blah blah blah. Click on it. Important. Can you see now? They are now showing us, telling us that it's very important. Both memo and an address are required to successfully deposit your Hamster into Binance. So you click on OK, and voila, this is my Hamster deposit address, and this is my memo. So I'm going to click here to copy my Hamster deposit address. I've clicked on it. I'm going to paste it inside my Hamster Combat. So you wait for Hamster Combat. Click on it, paste. You now go back, copy your memo. Here is my memo. I've copied it successfully. And you come to your memo here, paste. And once you are done, you can see you click on save and choose. If you click on save and choose and it is successful, this status here will not write not choosing yet, it will write choosing. So you click on save. Let's see, save. Can you see? Hola, we are done. Then say well done, stay tuned with updates. Then you click on thanks. We are done. It has been successfully linked. Now you can see request was sent. Request was sent. So whatever allocation they allocate to you, it will reflect in your, just the way we did our DOG. It will reflect in your Binance app. Okay, you come to wallets after Hamster might have listed their airdrop on Binance. You come to wallet just the way we did it, home, wallet, and as you can see, Hamster, I don't have any Hamster here, so it will appear here. Then from here I can send it to where I want to sell it. You understand? Because P2P is no more available in on Binance exchange. So there are other Bybit, there are other options where we can sell our Hamster, or you convert it to dollars, then you sell it. That is how you can connect your, you can withdraw from Hamster into your Binance account. But there are other options that I quickly want to show you. Let me go back. This is done. There are other options that I quickly want to show you. We've chosen Binance, as you can see. So other options here are off. But in case you want to use wallet in Telegram, or if you want to use Stonekeeper, please click this on chain airdrop. No KYC is needed. It's a wallet. So click on it. If you click on it, it will take you to a window where you need to choose your Stonekeeper. So you click on Stonekeeper and it will redirect you to Stonekeeper. You connect it automatically. It is done. And if you are the type that you have Telegram wallet, you can, if you prefer this option, click on it. Once you click on it, it will take you automatically to your Telegram. It will open your Telegram wallet, then you connect it. And once the Hamster Kombat is listed, it will appear in your Telegram wallet. The only thing is that you need gas fee. But when you deposit in Binance or Bybit, you don't need gas fee. So that is that on how to withdraw your Hamster Kombat into the exchange of your choice. But quickly, I want to give you a combo because so many people are missing this point. If you come to OKX here, click on OK, this part, your own could be Binance, but mine is OKX. Then you come to this side, look at this. Can you see where I'm hovering on this place? Click on it. Now, there are other things that you need to do here. There are things that so many people are missing. Now I want to click on this all. I want to click on all. These are skins. Use your coins all. Okay, I think all my skins are showing here right away. As you can see, this one is still padlocked. This is still logged, which means that I have to claim them. But all these ones you are seeing here are not logged. And I want to quickly explain something to you. Anyone that is logged, please over on it. You click on it. If it is writing, look at my own, I've purchased it. But in your own case, it might not have been purchased, and whichever one that has padlock on it, which it means that you've not purchased it, so you need to purchase it for the padlock to remove. And you need to as for me, I'm trying all my best to purchase all of these skins. I'm trying all my best. Like this one now, I've purchased it. I want to choose it. I'm choosing it. Yeah, so anyone you purchase, the latest one, make sure you choose it. It is very important. It is very important. And also, if you come to see all, you scroll down, there is this cheating is bad. If your own is highlighted, it's marked. If it's marked like something like this, it means that you might not get anything from Hamster because they are identifying you as a cheater. So that is it, guys. Thank you. You can join our Telegram chat, you can join our WhatsApp community for more updates. And also don't forget to like, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on your notification bell in case I drop any other updates or informations about other airdrop products. You won't miss out. Thank you and see you at the other end.